Hello everyone, welcome back to Research Rover. In this video, I show you the best free AI tool to create handwritten notes using Gemini AI. So here you can see these are the notes made or created by Gemini AI, and it exactly looks like a handwritten student notes. So for this, you can make it very easily within seconds with the help of AI. If you are in hurry or if you have shortage of time for revision, you can take help from Gemini AI for making notes. So for this, just open the Google tab and type Gemini AI. Click on it. Just click on the first Google Gemini. When it appears like this, you can ask here anything if you want or need help and you are in hurry. So for this, just click on create image like this. After selecting create image, you have to paste this prompt here. This is the prompt like create a handwritten study notes about topic human heart in detail. Use a student handwriting font on lined paper. Use neon markers to highlight important terms and points, and also draw red circles around important things or points. Add small doodles to explain the concept better on A4 size paper. You have to just copy this prompt and paste it. You can also change it according to your own requirements. So just click enter or submit it. This method is very helpful when you are in hurry and when you are short on time and need quick notes. You can take help from Gemini AI. But beside this, here, okay, just have a look of it, that it makes for you like this. You can also see that it gives you a small details and bullet points for quick revise. You can also demand more detail. But remember, book reading is always the first priority. This is only an extra support tool, not a replacement. So if you have time, you must have to get your books and read it out thoroughly and make your notes. But if you are in hurry and you have no time left, then you can take help from Gemini AI. So here's, you can see, if you want a detailed note, you can also type like also provide me more detail on. You can also type any of these points, like I want more detail on chambers of heart, its blood circulation, and diagram of heart on multiple pages, one by one, note at a time. You can type it also, so you can copy it also from my video. I will also paste these prompt in my description of video, so you can also copy it from description of that video. Okay, so it also gives you detail on chambers of heart. Here you can see it gives the best diagram of human heart with red circles to explain you everything. It also explains chambers in bullet points. Give more. You can also demand give more if you want. It will help you thoroughly. You don't need to be take a worry. It will help you thoroughly like this. Here it gives you the heart, internal structure and circulation. You can, okay, the most important thing is that you can download it from here. You can also copy it, you can share it also. So like I am downloading it because to see it complete, you have to need to download it in a full size like this. I have downloaded it. I don't think so that I opened the correct file, so just a minute. Okay, just a minute. You have to go to the downloads and just open the image which you have recently downloaded, like this. As you can see, it clear. You can also zoom in, zoom out, like this. Like this, you can also zoom in out. So this is the best way to make your notes. After doing this, you can paste all your notes like this. I have pasted it in PPT or PowerPoint. After doing this, you can resize it like this, and you can adjust it according to your own. After completion of your notes, you can save it in your PDF form or also your PPT form. Like if you want to save it in your PDF form, you can save it, save as, go to download where you want to save it, and just select save as type from here, like PDF, and just save your topic. It's very easy to convert your handwritten notes like this. It is converted into PDF. Now you can easily read it anywhere, anytime, anyhow. Okay, so if you like it, do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any query, you can also drop it into comment box. And you can also make your YouTube thumbnails using Gemini AI. Same method. I will explain that in the next video if you comment. So like the video, subscribe to Research Rover, hit the bell icon for more informative videos, and comment for queries on next tutorial. Thank you so much.